Hello and welcome to this midday market mood check on Moneycontrol. I'm Nandita Khemka and I have with me my colleague Yatin Mota as usual. Well, looking at the markets, Yatin, clearly Friday cheer and Santa cheer, everything is missing given the fact that we had some very hawkish commentary coming in from the ECB as well. A day after the Fed also indicated that interest rates will remain high for a longer period of time. Now the ECB has also said that significant rate increases are yet to come, and that is something that roiled sentiment on Wall Street last night. We saw Dow, Nasdaq, S&P all skidding over 2 to 3% or thereabouts. But for our markets as well, we started the day on the back foot. We were somewhere around the 18,400 mark at one point, but then we slipped below that 18,300 mark. And now the US futures have staged a somewhat mild comeback, and because of that, our markets have also managed to recover from the day's low.
Absolutely.
When we look at the sectors, I think it's the auto pack and the PSU banking pack that is doing pretty badly today. But Yatin, what are the other movers in trade?
So Nandita, as we speak, Nifty is down only 20 points and we have almost 120 points from the day's low in terms of recovery. Sensex is down only 50 points. Nifty small cap index is back in the green, and if you look at the advance decline ratio, it is progressing well, almost 2:3. So clearly markets are trying to do a comeback. Right now, if you look at the Nifty metal index, that's broken into the green. However, as you said, auto, FMCG, PSU banking stocks are losing in trade. What's moving? After the windfall tax was reduced substantially, Reliance Industries, ONGC, these are the two stocks which are gaining almost a percentage points, and both these heavyweights are supporting the markets in some point. Aisha Motors, Tech Mahindra, other Nifty gainers. What's down in trade? Mahindra & Mahindra, Dr. Reddy's down 2%. Remember, Dr. Reddy's moves out of the Sensex today, and Tata Motors gets included. So these two stocks will be in focus. Apart from that, ITC, Hero MotoCorp and Bajaj Auto, these are the three stocks which are putting pressure on the markets.
Right, Nifty, Yatin, looking at the broader markets, I saw the mid-cap index was down quite a bit. But some movers on Nifty 500, first of all, GMM Pfaudler, that stock is down somewhere around 15 to 16% on the back of promoter stakes sale. In fact, Deepak Fertilizer, on the other hand, was doing pretty well in a weakish market after it announced the demerger of its chemical fertilizer business. What are the other movers on the Nifty 500 today?
So apart from Deepak Fertilizer, the other fertilizer stocks which are moving is FACT and RCF. Also we have Aegis Chemicals, Kalyan Jewelers and Renuka Sugars are doing well, 6-7% up for these stocks. In fact, sugar as a sector is doing really well today. On the losing end, Yes Bank continues to slip from the 24 rupees plus highs. Stock is below 22 rupees, down 3.5%. Some profit taking in PSU banks, the likes of Union Bank is down 3.5%, Polycab is down 5%, PNB Housing is down 4%. So clearly the movers which were quite aggressive in the last few days are looking at some profit taking. If you look at the new 52-week highs today, we have Mahindra CIE, L&T at record highs, Apollo Tyres at near record highs, and Aegis Chemicals, which I mentioned earlier, 7% up and a new high for that stock.
Right, Yatin, Friday cheer missing from the last week, but what are your plans for today? Are you planning to go and have some Sula wine and maybe watch out for the listing? Do we know the listing date?
No, I'm actually going for Avatar, the new movie, and probably watch out for multiplex stocks because that is one blockbuster which is expected to do well in the opening week on the box office.
Revive the fortunes of these
and probably that is the reason why stocks like PVR and Inox are up in trade today.
Right, with that, it's a wrap on this midday market mood check, but of course, stay tuned for the Bazaar Gupshup, which is coming right after the market close.